Hi everyone, we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Tinder app and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.